Bismillah. Hello everyone, this is Sharif. In this video, I will give a briefing overview regarding the proposed training titled Technical Drawings. Let me first introduce myself and my qualifications to deliver this training. I will give some overview regarding the training objectives and how I'm planning to deliver it. And I will give you some highlights regarding the training content. Well, academically, I received both a Bachelor of Science and Master of Science in Engineering from 2004 and 2009. I have received some advanced diplomas in computer-aided design and digital fabrication. I have more than 20 years of experience in the field of mechanical engineering, specifically in the piping and layout department. I have worked in many fields dealing with thousands of drawings through different stage of the projects, from the conceptual drawings till the detailed and the as-built drawings. I have dealt with many drawings types in my department, and I was responsible in the coordination, review, and market up for all the other discipline drawings and vendor drawings as well. So there is a lot of topics I want to share with you. I am also a certified trainer from Bentley and a number of training facilitators inside Egypt and abroad. I have delivered tens of trainings and lecture sessions in Egypt, North Africa, and USA. Well, the main objective of this training is to transfer this accumulated experience working with technical drawings to your customers and your trainees, with different backgrounds, whether they are technicians, designers, engineers from the construction industry, from the oil and focusing on the oil and gas industry, whether they are in engineering office on the site, from operation and maintenance. All those are invited to attend this training and get full use of it. I'm planning to deliver it through interactive lectures where the trainees have the opportunity to interact and communicate with me to maximize the efficiency of the training and the knowledge transfer. The training will have a number of hands-on exercises, real life case studies where the trainees can interpret, understand, and review and understand more regarding the technical drawings of the different phases of the project and how they end up at the end of the training making full advantage of the training topics delivered. Overview of the training. In day one, I will give overview regarding the drawings from different types, P&IDs, piping isometrics, pipeline drawings, equipment arrangement, plot plans. We will see how those drawings are prepared, how they are reviewed, how they are coordinated, how can the how the trainee can understand and interpret what in the information delivered on the drawing, because the drawing is the language that the engineering activities are transferred from the engineering office to the construction site. In the day two, we'll go through the drawing review procedures and standards. How do you review a drawing? How to catch if there is any conflict on the drawing, and the standards, international standards in the oil and gas industry in this regards. Day three, how we change or how we deal with changes throughout the project, the change management and technical coaching to the junior engineers. Of course, this is only a brief overview. The training content has a lot more, but you can refer to the other documents delivered for more details regarding the training. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it, and let me know if you have any questions or clarifications. See you there.